This is lecture 5, and in this lecture we are going to cover the topics mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, centrosomes and centrioles, and last topic questions. So let's begin with mitochondria. Okay, so before getting into that, it is known as cell's energy producer. Let's begin with understanding what is actually mitochondria. So first of all, uh, think of it as a money. So what is the role of money in our life? This money, it gives us the energy to buy products, travel, or money. So money is a form of energy with which we can do different kinds of things. We can buy different kinds of things. Okay, so similarly, a cell also needs something like money, energy to do all its work. So, in case of mitochondria, this money is used as a form of energy. Okay, and that energy is used to perform the various functions inside our body. Let's begin now. This mitochondria is a plural term. Like when we are referring to multiple mitochondria, we say mitochondria. But if we are just considering a single mitochondria, so we will say mitochondrion. So mitochondrion is a singular term. Okay, now let's move. These mitochondria are spherical, rod shaped, or thread like bodies. So let's draw mitochondria. Okay. This is the outer membrane of mitochondria, and I am drawing this inner membrane which projects into a finger like projection. Okay, so this is the outer membrane. This is the inner membrane. Okay, and this finger like projection is called cristae. Okay, this is called as cristae. So let's read now. This mitochondria are spherical. They are spherical, rod shaped. They may be rod shaped. Their shape may be rod shaped or spherical or thread like. They may be thread like. So they may be They may be spherical, rod shaped, or thread like. Okay, bodies, and they are minute, they are very small, they can be seen only through electron microscope only. So they are minute doubled wall bags. They are double wall. You can see two membranes, outer membrane and inner membrane. So they are double wall. Two walls are present with their inner walls produced into finger-like processes projecting inwards called cristae. See, the inner membrane is projecting inward and that inner projection is called cristae. Okay, now mitochondria are the sites where cell respiration occurs to release energy. So actually what happens in mitochondria? In mitochondria, what is happening? Cellular respiration is taking place. Like, what is cellular respiration? What happens? Whatever your food is, this is our food, glucose. Okay, this food breaks down. And energy is released, and this energy is stored in the form of ATP, and it is happening in the mitochondria. Okay, so these are the site where cell respiration occurs to release energy. Okay, this energy is stored in the form of energy rich compound, and this released energy is stored in the form of energy rich compound, which is ATP, and the full form is adenosine triphosphate. So what is the role of this ATP? This ATP is used to do various kinds of activities inside our body. So it is used for various metabolic functions of the cell, like movement, secretion, all the activities which our body also all the activities in which our body is involved are also contributed by this ATP only. Like we do movements, we do exercise, or whatever kind of things we do, all are just contributed by ATP. Now because of this reason, they are called as powerhouse of the cell, because they are generating a large amount of energy. So what is a powerhouse? Means a large of energy is created there. So similarly, in mitochondria, so much of energy is being stored in the form of ATP, which is utilized for various purposes. That is why mitochondria are called as powerhouses of the cell. Okay, and this is the image of mitochondria under an electron microscope. Next topic is Golgi apparatus. It is known as the delivery system of the cell. Before understanding why it is known as the delivery system of the cell, let's understand what is actually Golgi apparatus. So think of it as the post office. What is the function of the post office? It receives various materials, it receives our letters, and from there the letters are being transported to various places. Okay, so similarly, this Golgi apparatus, it receives materials and then transfers them to various parts of a cell. So let's begin. The Golgi apparatus, which is also known as Golgi bodies, they occur in the form of granules, filaments, or rods. See, let's see how this Golgi body looks. This is how a Golgi body generally looks under a microscope. Okay, so it says that it occurs in the form of granules. So this Golgi bodies, they may be in the form of granules or filament. Filaments means thread like, or they may be rod shaped. This is the different forms of Golgi bodies, and this is how it looks under a microscope. Now, they are supposed to be originated from endoplasmic reticulum. We have studied in the previous lecture that, see, this is our cell. Okay, this is our nucleus. With nucleus, our endoplasmic reticulum is being attached. Okay, and from here these Golgi bodies are supposed to be originated. These Golgi bodies are also found near the nucleus. So from endoplasmic reticulum, these Golgi bodies are supposed to be originated, and they are located near the nucleus. See, these Golgi bodies are also located near the nucleus. Now let's see function of Golgi body. Secretion of cell including enzymes, hormone, etc. So their function is secretion of various substances like enzymes, hormones. Suppose this is our Golgi body. So it will be responsible for secretion of various enzymes, various hormones. Okay, so basically what happens, okay, this Golgi body, it is in close proximity with endoplasmic reticulum. So from there, from endoplasmic reticulum, it receives the materials, and then this Golgi body packages them in the form of vesicles. This is a vesicle only. This round bodies are known as vesicles. So it packages that material in the form of vesicles, and from the other end of the Golgi body, those substances are being secreted or released. So Golgi apparatus is the post office or delivery system of the cell that receives materials from the endoplasmic reticulum, packages them into vesicles, and sends them to different parts of the cell or outside the cell. So from here, these vesicles are either transported to different parts of the cell, or from or to the outside of the cell. Like this is the cell, and from here these vesicles are being secreted. So these vesicles may be transported to various parts of the cell, or they may be just secreted out of the cell. I hope this Golgi apparatus is clear. Okay, Now this is the image of a Golgi apparatus under an electron microscope. Okay. Next topic is lysosomes. They are known as the intracellular digestive center. So before understanding, let's understand what are actually lysosomes. So think of it as the cleaning staff or dustbin of a cell. So in dustbin, what we throw our waste material or whatever old items. So similarly, this lysosomes, they are present within a cell to remove the waste materials, okay, or the old or damaged parts. So let's move. Lysosomes are small vesicles of different shapes containing some digestive enzymes. So this is a lysosome and they are of various shapes. They are like this, okay. They are small vesicles. Vesicles are small rounded body of different shapes containing some digestive enzymes. They have some digestive enzymes which are present in these lysosomes, and these digestive enzymes are only responsible for destroying or dissolving the old or damaged parts, okay. So their enzymes destroy and digest, foreign substances like germs, harmful particles, waste material which are not further needed or which are harmful for the cell are being destroyed inside the lysosomes, okay. They are found in the animal cell, okay. They digest stored food during starvation of the cell. Their another function is to digest stored food during starvation of the cell. What happens when the cell is in a hungry mode, okay, and no food is available outside? So what happens, the lysosomes which are already present inside the cell, it digests the food which is present inside the cell, okay. Already present food is being digested by the cell when the cell is hungry. Now why are they called suicide bags? These lysosomes are called as suicide bags. Why? What happens? See, sometimes a cell becomes very old or gets damaged, okay. Then its own lysosomes may release their digestive enzymes and destroy or dissolve the damaged cell from inside. Suppose this is a cell, okay. This is our cell, and over time this cell has become old, okay. So this cell is now not needed. So what will happen? The lysosome which was present inside the cell, suppose this is a lysosome which is present inside the cell, it will eat up its own cell and the whole cell will disappear, okay. So the whole cell is killed. So that's why they are known as suicidal bags, okay. Okay, therefore lysosomes are called suicide bags of the cell. Now we called lysosomes as the intracellular digestive center because, see, this term intracellular means inside the cell. So these lysosomes are present inside the cell only. See, this lysosome is present inside the cell only, and it is a digestive center because here the digestive enzymes are present which is digesting its own parts, okay. So that's why they are known as the intracellular digestive center, okay. This is the image of lysosome under an electron microscope. Our last topic is centrosome and centrioles. So to understand it, let us think of it as a construction manager. So what does a construction manager do? He divides the work, okay. So similarly, this centrosome and centrioles, they are responsible for cell division. We'll see how, okay. So first let's understand about centrosome and centrioles. They are found only in animal cell. We have studied this point. They are found only in animal cell and they are absent in plant cell, okay. In plant cell, cell division occurs with the help of a cell plate, but in animals, centrosomes and centrioles are responsible for cell division. Okay. Now, the centrosome contains two centrioles, which are short bundles of microfilament arranged at right angle to each other. Let's understand this. See, these are the centrioles, and they are made up of microfilament, and two centrioles are present. Okay, this is one centriole, and this is the second centriole, and they are present at 90 degrees. See, there is an angle of 90 degree between them, and they together form centrosome. So they are short bundles of microfilament. These microfilament are protein like thread, okay, and they help in the framework of the cell. So they are made up of microfilament arranged at right angle to each other. They are arranged at right angle to each other. Okay. Together these centrioles form centrosome. Okay. Now, and this centrosome, they also produce spindle fibers. I will draw again. Okay. See, this is our centriole. And doing cell division, spindle fibers are being formed. Okay, and this spindle fibers, they help in cell division. Okay, suppose this is our cell. Okay, and this is our centriole. One is present at this side of a cell, and the other is present here at this side of a cell. Okay, they will form they will form spindle fibers, and here is our chromosome. We'll study about chromosome when we will study nucleus. These spindle fibers are connected. Okay, so what will happen during cell division? These spindle fibers, they will be connected from one end to the other end, and they will be joining the center of this chromosome also, and they will separate like this. They will contract like this, and the cell will be divided into two cells. Okay, this is how the cell divides. So it helps in cell division. Their function is division of the cell, doing mitosis and meiosis. These are the different stages of cell division. So what they do, the centrosome helps form spindle fibers. These spindle fibers, these are spindle fibers. And these spindle fibers are formed by these centrosomes. Okay, I hope it is clear. Now let's solve the questions. First question is, which organelle is known as the powerhouse of the cell? Golgi apparatus, no. Lysosomes, no. Mitochondria, yes. Centriole, no. So option C is correct. Next question, energy released during cell respiration is stored in the form of DNA? No. ATP? Yes. RNA? No. Glucose? No. So option B is correct. Finger-like folds present on the inner membrane of mitochondria are called cisternae? No. Vacuoles? No. Cristae? Yes. Ribosomes? No. So option C is correct. Remember, this cristae is present in mitochondria, and this cisternae, it is present in Golgi bodies. This was the structure which was present, okay, in Golgi. So this structure is known as cisternae in case of Golgi bodies and Christie in case of mitochondria. Now, the Golgi apparatus mainly function as the cell's energy producer, no. Delivery and packaging system, yes. Digestive center, no. Control center, no. So option B is correct. Golgi apparatus is mainly concerned with the secretion of ATP, no. Water, no. Enzymes and hormones, yes. DNA and RNA, no. So option C is correct. Now, lysosomes contain chlorophyll, no. Digestive enzymes, yes. ATP, no. Ribosomes, no. Option B is correct. Lysosomes are called suicide bags because they produce energy, no. Store food, no. Can digest damaged cells, yes. Help in photosynthesis, no. So option C is correct. Next question. A centrosome is found only in plant cell, no, they are absent. Animal cell, yes. Bacterial cell, no. Fungal cell, no, they are found only in animal cells, and their function was to help in cell division. During cell division, spindle fibers develop from the Golgi apparatus, no. Nucleus, no. Centrosome, yes. Lysosomes, no. Option C is correct. A centrosome contains two nuclei, no. Two centrioles arranged at right angles, yes. Two lysosomes, no. Two mitochondria, no. So option B is correct. I hope everything is clear in today's lecture. So let's end this lecture with understanding a very simple thing. Today we'll learn about forgiveness. Okay, we all hold grudges with our friends or family members, okay, and that all negative energy is being stored in our body and we don't realize that thing. But over time, what happens, this energy, it gets piled up in our body and we feel irritated or disturbed, unstable. So it's better to release all those energy from our body. So how we can do that? Okay, so the simplest way to get over all those energy is to forgive all those people against whom we have grudges inside our body. So take a piece of paper, okay, write down whatever grudges you have. Just write down all the things, okay, and the next line, say that I release all these things from my body and I forgive them for the benefit of my soul, and I release these things to the universe. Please take care of it and make me free from it. Just say this and say thank you to Lord. You will really feel light after doing this thing. So see you in the next lecture. Till then, take care. Okay, bye bye.